Hello world, welcome back. Over the last several weeks or so, I have been developing a number of different ideas and projects that I want to share with all of you as I continue to expand Little Design Lab. Along the way, I've been able to connect and reconnect with a number of you already, which has been amazing and honestly the whole point of making these videos. My aspiration is to drive genuine engagement that goes well beyond just sharing videos. I would really like to find ways to collaborate on projects that happen symbiotically. As I discuss some of my ideas, I would highly encourage you to get involved in any way that you can. On the flip side, if there are projects that you are interested in developing and would like someone to collaborate with, I would be more than happy to offer what I can. You can always drop me an email or leave a comment below. My main focus has been on youth life coaching. Youth life coaching is more than academic tutoring and beyond college counseling. It is holistic mentoring for young people. I think it will be a while before we get the data to show how much of an impact the pandemic caused to our students. In my experience, one of the main challenges that I have noticed is with students' executive functioning. Traditional counseling is typically focused on just academics and getting the grade. I think there is so much more to a student than their GPA or SAT score. As a life coach, my aim is to help young people achieve the best version of themselves. I honestly believe everyone could benefit from having an ally in their corner to provide support and accountability. If that sounds like you, or if you know anyone that would benefit, please visit my website at littledesignlab.org to learn a lot more and book a free intro session. Outside of youth life coaching, I have been exploring a number of strategic partnerships with a few other people and organizations. The details have not been confirmed yet, so I cannot share too much. The hope is that these partnerships will allow me to share and work with more people and students in the real world and on real projects. This is probably one of the things that I am most excited about because I really want to build out a network of people who share the similar goal of getting us off our computers and back in the shop to build stuff. Speaking of making stuff, I really miss making things. While I have been focused on teaching the last many years, I have not dedicated as much time to my own craft. I have done the odd project here and there, but I really do miss working on some of my own ideas. I have a growing list of projects that I intend to start on. As I work through them, my aim is to take you through the messiness of the design process a little more thoroughly. The plan is to make little mini episodes that take you through step by step, mistake after mistake. Hopefully, that will help encourage others to get involved and also feel more confident seeing how many times I have to iterate and revise as I go along. It will probably be a good way to prove to my students that what I teach is real and something that I actually embody. One of the projects that I plan on starting on is based on the Boba Guest book that I made for my wedding. I think it'll be really fun to see how I might be able to take that concept and turn it into a little coin bank where you can slot in boba coins. I also want to restore and fix things. We definitely throw away way too much stuff nowadays. I'm definitely guilty of taking the easier and usually cheaper path of just buying replacements, but I want to change that. I told my wife that I would fix the handle on our rice cooker for years, so now will probably be a good time to get on that. This is also where I think it will be great for you to get involved. If there is something that you have been meaning to fix or restore, please tell me about it. It would be super fun to figure out how we can get it done. So definitely send me a quick message or leave a comment below. Those are the major things that I have in store for Little Design Lab. But here are a few additional things that I have been interested in trying and that you can look forward to. I've always loved movies and games analysis. I think it'll be fun to share a few of my favorite movies and games and why they are so meaningful to me and what kind of an impact they have had. I've also thought about taking up sugar art, so that might be an interesting journey, learning, and figuring that out. I've always wanted to write a book, probably fictional, or a children's book would be really fun too. This last one, for now, will probably be a long shot, but who knows? Maybe someday I will build up enough courage to do an open mic stand-up comedy set. That is definitely a reach, but yeah, stay tuned. Alright, as always, thanks for checking in. I hope to talk and work with you soon.